What if you want to play chords and sing your favorite song? Or maybe somebody else is playing on a guitar or another instrument and you want to play chords for it, or you just want to find the chords so that somebody can use it. Let us take again the example of Kangal Irandal. Yeah, it's a minor scale. Whether it is a minor or major is determined by the single note, the ga, the minor third or the major third. Sa, re, ga. If the ga is a ga 2, it's a minor scale. Ga 3, it is a major scale. Small ga, minor. Big ga, major. That is it. That is why there are more than one minor scales. It's not just one minor scale. It's not the one you get by reducing the major scales, major third note. If you make a minor third, you do get melodic minor. That is all. It's not the natural minor. It's not the harmonic minor or anything. Okay, that is a different thing. But yeah. So once we know the one way to find the chord is go by the phrase. You have sa, ga, re, ga. I decide that I'll play a chord for that. Then ma is given importance. I'll play another one for that. Let me try something. The point is, even using the melody notes, sa, ga, re, ga, I can already try putting the notes on 2 different strings. That is easier because chords are anyway going to be played on different strings. I'm trying sa, ga, re, ga. Sa is on the 3rd string. Ga and re can be played on the 2nd string. Ma, playing the ma here, it would have been good. I could try this ma. It's possible. I don't know how many will be able to do it, but or how good I will be able to do it in a real situation to play a chord like that, or how much it matters. So, kangalira, these are all possible. This is actually a C7 sus 4th chord. Kangalirandal. But I'm not going to play this chord because the ma comes only later. I'm going to split it, find 2 different chords for sa, ga, re, ga. Sa, ga, re, ga. Here I'm playing sa, ga, pa, sa, re, pa. How did I come up with the pa? See, I already have sa and ga or sa and re. Okay, I'm going to choose sa and re. Then I want one more note on the 1st string somewhere. Sa, possible. Sounds a little bit more like a villain. Possible pa. There is one more reason. Anyway, this guy ma 2 F sharp note is not there in the scale. We know it's a Dorian scale. It's not there in the scale. Playing that, including that chord, it can be interesting, but that is obviously going to sound a little bit interesting. It's not going to sound very normal or very something which conforms with the melody. Sa, ga, re, ga. But again, I want to do sa, ga, re, ga. We are ending on ga. The chord which we have now is 3rd string 5th fret, 2nd string 3rd fret, 1st string 3rd fret. That is sa, re and pa. Sa, ga, re, ga. The ga is being given a little bit more importance. So I may actually try sa, ga and pa. Sa, ga, re, ga. Ma, ga, re, ma, ga, re. I can try ma and re chord D minor. Sa, ga, re, ga, ma, ga, re, sa, ga, re, ga, ma. Or sa, ga, re, ga, ma, ga, re, sa, ga, re, ga, ma. I'm just doing, instead of playing the sa, ga, pa, I'm playing sa, ma, pa when the ma comes. There are so many options you can try. Choose one of them, or choose 2 or 3 of them if you are going to repeat the same melody, and if you want to try different kinds of chords and different repetitions. But basically this is the idea. There is another way to do this though. We already know that Dorian scale is what the basis of the song is. Dorian has sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. Naturally, we just have to find out sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat and C. C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat, C. These are the sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa notes for Dorian. One way to do is, find the chords is, find sa, ga, pa. Next find re, ma, dha. Next find ga, pa, ni. Where is ga? Yeah, there is a D sharp basically. You can play it here also. So we found C minor, D minor, D sharp. 3 notes from the scale, using the scale notes. These are all safe chords because we are not using any other note outside of the scale. These are very safe chords. You use them on top of the scale, unless in very specific situations there won't be any clashing sound happening. There won't be any clash. There is no note to clash in the scale which is not there in the chord anyway, or the other way. The chord has only notes from the scale, so there is no chance of anything clashing. So 3 notes. Next we find starting from ma, ma dha sa. That's an F major chord. Ma dha sa. Next one is pa ni re. Pa ni. I'm trying to put them so that I can play it somewhere here. Let the ni go to the third string. Third string, third fret, and first string, 6th fret are same note. So first string, 6th fret ni, I'm placing it on the third string, third fret. The octave doesn't matter in this case. Just the order of the notes from top to bottom of the string. It gives you different inversions, but that's a different thing. You don't have to worry much about it now. What is this note? This is a D. D you find here. So this is again the note and the chord for the chord starting from the pa. Pa, ni, re can be played like this. This is a G minor. Then starting from the dha, dha. These are the chords. The first string, 5th fret is same as the second string, third string, 2nd fret. First string, 8th fret is same as the 3rd string, 5th fret. Okay. This is a E flat. This is how the chord will sound. It can be it's basically diminished from this particular A diminished it is, but it can also sound like a F7th chord. Then the next one is starting from ni, re ma. Ni, re ma. You get the A sharp. And then we are back on the C. So we have basically 7 chords which are possible, which are safe chords for the scale, and therefore safe chords for the song. You can use that also, like Kangal, Irandal. You just have to see sa, ga, re, ga. I'm giving importance to sa and ga, C minor. Ma, when it comes to ma, I have an option to play ma, F major or D minor, for example. Sa, ga, re, ga, ma, ga, re, sa, ga, re. C minor, F possible, C minor, D minor possible. You can try them.